Hi, I'm Matt Kushner. I'm a clinical psychologist by training, and I've been in the Department of Psychiatry on the faculty since 1991. P3 is designed first and foremost to help people actually write and submit their first NIH grant. There's a lot of other benefits that go along with it, but this is really our goal, is to get people to be able to produce a full grant and submit it to NIH. We recommend that people think about taking P3 probably in their first year, but even up to their second or third year as an assistant professor. We're looking for people who are really ready to write. So this means somebody who has a clear idea of the scientific question that they're going to be working on and has identified mentors. And the only thing they haven't done yet is actually write the application. We accept people who are on various tracks. You need not be on the tenured track. You can actually, we've had people that are on primarily clinical roles, but they have to have the amount of time necessary to complete the course. We found that people have to put in about 8 to 10 hours of work between every weekly session. So that's a really big commitment, and people have to be prepared to make this. If somebody's not quite ready to write, they still need to collect pilot data, or they haven't gotten a critical mass of publications, we suggest that they wait for a future cycle. The program isn't designed as an experiment, but we are able to look at outcomes. What we found is that about 90% of people who go through P3 submit their NIH grant. And that's really the key metric, is that people write their grants and get them submitted. We also looked into the success rate. What we found was that people that have been through P3 perform at about 50% better at funding than individuals on a national average. There's also a community value. We find that people that would have never met one another in the university system come together in P3, and those relationships tend to last throughout people's career. Another way that we benefit the university that is really a concrete way of thinking about it is a study that we did by pulling SPA data from all the past P3 participants over an 11-year period. This was 165 individuals. What we found was that those 165 individuals were responsible for $193 million of NIH funding that came to the University of Minnesota. Probably not a week goes by that I don't get an email saying that somebody got their funding or that they got a really great score. They're so excited, and I'm so excited for them. And I feel very privileged, frankly, to have had a small hand in their success.